Hello mga Ed, for today's video is I will share to you my experience traveling with To Go MV Masikap. In here, we rode a bus going to the ship. The police dog checked our luggage before we can board on the ship. And here is my room. Luckily, I booked a business class accommodation and this is what it looks like. It has TV and there is a lavatory. This part of the ship is called Island Fiesta. You can see band. You can also purchase your favorite pastries here in this section. There is also Watson's and Quick Mart. If you want to buy something you want to eat, you can also purchase here a soft drinks. There's a variety of drinks and here's the charging station. And beside it is the life jackets. And there is also Cultura mini soup in the ship. And there is also a cafe and another pastries. And this part is where the comfort room and there's a bidet. And look at the comfort room, it's so clean. The shower room is so clean. So it's morning already, so I prepare myself because they have announced that the breakfast is being served in the Horizon Cafe. So now I'm on my way to Horizon Cafe to eat my breakfast.
Hello guys, at dahil waiting pa, madami pang kumakain sa Horizon Cafe. Dito muna ako sa labas, maghihintay kapag meron ng bakante. Ito yung Island Fiesta.
And after waiting for a couple of minutes, there is a vacant table and our food is being served. They serve, I don't know what's that. And here's the food. There's a soup, a juice, and a water. So let's dig in. Cold water and hot water is also free in MV To Go Masikap. And I did not skip also the chance to ride an elevator in a ship. However, I'm a bit nervous riding an elevator on a ship. In the deck part of the ship, here's what it looks like. It's so spacious and you can see a lot of ships. There's also a prayer room inside the ship. You can pray here. And there's also a window facing the sea. After my tour, I go back to my room and lay down and watch TV. I got bored, so I decided to explore more the ship and decided to go on a cafe and order something. While waiting for the ship to arrive in Nasipit, I decided to stand by in the hallway. The ship arrived at Nasipit late at night already. However, I thank God for the safe travel and thank you To Go for the nice experience. It was all worth it.